Yes, welcome back. The program now as it is hot, and what we talk about today? We hear the news yesterday. Say yes, one of the Chibok girls don't do it. They don't find them, but that they find them been rescued. The major thing we say, the good news we say at least we don't see one of them, and because they ask, what will be the next step from here? At least we don't see what will be the next step we need to take to also ensure say the rest of the girls do it and come back to their district, to their parents, and come back to their home. At least they will feel start up life afresh. Chukwudi is still there for studio, and this matter is still being addressed. And we'll also open our phone line so that at least our viewers go they call so to also contribute on the matter we they talk about. So Chukwudi, in all, we don't see these issues differently, and then I believe say at least this is, just as we talk, this is a good news for us, and this is also a good news for Nigeria. Say at least say one of the girls don't find, but in the same way we also talk say going by what the girl talk say some of the girls also don't buy over the last 2 years. It is also very sad because parents of those other girls now go they very disturbed right now, or perhaps if she don't get to a record of who these girls are, at least the parents, the Chibok girls now, they have the parents go they disturbed say making up my pikin no. True. You understand that kind of thing? True. That is why such issues like this, we also need to at least address them sensitively. Know as we take handle and carry on well, so that at least in the end we go feel do it and carry out our work effectively, ensure say at least the rest of the girls do it, come back. So not just pass as to the address.
Very, very true. No negotiation with anybody on that particular issue because any government where they're responsible go put the people first. And yes, in putting the people first, we must ensure say the safety of their lives and their property. That's something where they're very, very paramount. And I they're very, very certain say the major political parties or virtually everybody where we say one wear the jersey of in party to participate for the 2015 general elections we passed last year and talk about this particular issue and then talk where like say the thing they pain them. Quick one, we get Oga Chukwudi. The Oga Chukwudi they call us all the way from Owerri. Oga Chukwudi, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
Hello, good morning.
Would they hear you, Oga Chukwudi, right on?
All right.
Hey. I beg Oga Chukwudi will go urge you to call back, and for our viewers, I beg, may I also try call back. And for those who also they talk this one, if now they come, may they bring down the volume of the television so that at least we go feel here now, so that also the rest of Nigerians when they watch this program will also feel here una.
Very, very true. And we see they discuss the issue of the missing Chibok girl when we say they don't find, and when they look whether any hope there for the rescue of the other girls. Remember waiting Amina, the information when she dropped, when she talks, say 6 of the girls, to the best of her knowledge, they don't already buy. For over 2 years, we know say some people don't even they tell the parents them say may they just take them like that. Say nah something where we say don't happen. But with this particular new discovery, the thing will allow for fresh hopes to rise. And we hope say our military people, when we don't already talk about here, say we don't ever get doubt in their ability and their capability to secure lives and property inside Nigeria and also ensure the territorial integrity of this country. Say they go do their best to see say they rescue the girls. It go good make we not politicize this issue because some people now go begin to talk say okay say this government not do wetin the other government no do. But it go dey very, very important make we also look and say okay, all of these girls, if they come back home, now very big plus to our security people and also to the government of the day. And like we don't talk, every government is supposed to be responsible for the safety of lives and property inside the country.
Just as I thought, you could still to stress further on that and not politicizing this matter because if we look at if in all sincerity, we find the issue of Chibok girls, said girls they miss. If we will need to also put ourselves in some of these shoes. If now we this thing they affected, or probably now we they in this shoe say somebody maybe our daughter or relation, somebody with they related to us, they among these Chibok girls. At least all these issue of say with the politicized particularity no go play out in the first place, no go come from us. And another thing we say at least. Make we also collectively as Nigerians chart a course of ensuring say these guys come back. No, by the time we they divide them, just like say we know they even show interest. Just like say we know regard lives at all. But in this case, there are lives involved. I never can know, we don't know the product we go come out from these girls. That one major thing we also need to ask ourselves. We don't know the product we go come out from these girls. By the time we bring them back home, I think they go add up, their ideas, everything they get, go feel add up to what we get for our society. And we go also feel help broaden our scope, also broaden our intelligence, broaden a lot of things about us. So at least, no individual we should not allow one individual to just go like that or let loose like that. We need to at least ensure that every individual is safe because we still talking with all of us now we get this country, nobody get them, and that's why we need to regard everybody within this society.
Very, very true. And if we carry on with the mindset, say everybody dey valuable to society. People don already question say wetin be the value wey be say government or we as Nigerians even place on top of Nigerian life. We dey see examples of other countries wey be say things go happen wey go affect people and the kind of reaction wey government go react to am. Make we give example of wetin happen for Canada recently, the wildfire wey be say ravage plenty place for inside Canada. But you go see say the government and the people of Canada they stand up talk say okay oh this thing wey not happen make we ensure say these people when they live for this community then they safe and make we put things in place wey go ensure say this thing no go happen again. Nobody be dey talk say na APC matches na PDP matches na start the fire. Wetin dem talk about immediately na to quench the fire and see say this particular thing the thing no reach any issue.
Because
but for Nigeria.
Majorly the thing is people affected by certain this thing cases like this, just as you mentioned, are not these are people where we say if you look them they're not interested in saying okay say see where I belong. Rather what they're interested in is okay we are a nation and our own general responsibility to ensure say we live as a nation.
True. You
understand? So the issue of say with the politics, which of course we one major way they play out for our country, we go talk about it. They play out here say okay this is where I belong, and that belonging to different this thing they divide our interests.
Exactly.
That belonging to different say you see where I come from, see my background, see my ethnic group, they divide the interests of the nation. But if we see ourselves as one, say okay what is supposed to come first now our country first. True. Before your own interest. True. Then you go still say yes a lot of things go don change from wetin we dey the stage wey we dey right now. Who
could be this water when you drink today when they give us the thing really work for you.
Na you dey work.
No, it work for you.
Na you dey work for.
Because I know say normally before when you talk e be like when your mouth come dry the thing they always dey
who drink water before go to the last break of
no be water the one when you drink the first time that now the thing just dey settle. No. And it's obvious. No, it's showing. You need to take more. No, you need to take more.
Take more what?
In fact Nkubi we need water now on top of
it dey important.
Exactly.
We always need water. That
so why are you fighting it?
No, I'm not fighting it, but you're claiming
no, why are you always fighting it?
You need the water in your system.
I talk about military intelligence, you fight. I talk about water, you fight.
No,
which one?
We need them.
Okay,
we need them.
Which one we don't go fight on top?
I don't accept. I need the water.
Thank you.
You self need the water.
I need them, but you need it.
We both need it.
You need it first before I need it.
As long as you need them, me self need them.
I need it. Okay, you don't need it. You are not a woman.
No, I need it. You also need it.
I need it. Just like you need military intelligence.
Stress not this needing it.
It is natural.
It is natural to drink
water. Army people, you dey complain. Why are you complaining?
You don't do.
Why are you complaining?
You don't.
Don't you believe in the military?
I do.
And why are you fighting them?
I'm not.
Why are you against them?
I'm not. Why should I go against the military? Military of our people. Why should I? The same military will say over time we don't see their records. Why will I go against them?
It's evident that you are afraid.
No, afraid of what?
You see your eyes.
No. We're talking about.
Why are you begging me with your eyes?
Me beg you.
With your eyes?
Now, military will talk about here. Military will say we're supposed to respect. What are you not saying?
It go good make we move forward for this particular issue.
Move, I beg.
Because we don't see photos of Amina with the governor of Borno State, Kasim Shettima, and they don't already talk say she go see Oga Presido today. It go good make our government take stand. The stand one that will reiterate say so long as we don't find Amina. This one should, and the girl don't confirm say the girls them dey say she dey very very sure say them dey like this one a major boost and with the recent record of success wey we say our military people they don dey put under their belt based on the way wey we say they don dey give them more weaponry and all of these other things like this e go good make we even fit consolidate on our gains. Boko Haram Jagura people dem dey under intense pressure
right
like
now,
we talk they talk say they don cut off their supply routes aside from cutting off their supply routes wetin our soldier people dey do don put plenty pressure on top of them. When we go this break come back.
Drink water. You need to be water.
It's not every break you drink water.
No, if you like say as they talk your throat don dey dry. Anyway, we'll go for this break. When we come back.
You will not even feel balance again for chair. You need some. Welcome back to Aside Hot on top of the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable. Ezuku Chukwu Yarun could be there inside studio and what will they discuss? Now the girl when we say they find one of the Chibok girls and they look whether any hope there for the future based on say they go rescue all of the remaining girls or more of the girls. What will go on from here? What the government supposed to do to put this in place to use ensure say these particular girls them say the kind life when we say they don't live for the past 2 years, then correct them, can give them better life. Considering the fact say for this our country, it be like say once something don't happen, people don't forget them. It be like say that they forget quick.
Yes, now one majority way we also need to do it to the at least and remind ourselves of, because once we done, because if you look at me, you get the kind of activity you go play out here, we be say you go call for at least attention. But by the time we maybe something don't come play out, you just say we go just do it in come out our mind from them, and that thing will come take over. But then for us to also they consistently remember certain things, go also they help us, because you go always they help us do it. They question, they put out the right questions to the right authorities when we supposed to one. You get the kind of way you go play out today, then you, at least you go call for questioning. And once you call for questioning and the question continue consistently, then you go to say answers to that demand will come up. But if we say okay, we'll ask question and then maybe we ask the first one, ask the second, we'll come withdraw. We'll come say we don't come out our mind from there. The same people we're supposed to address that question, we're supposed to provide answer to that question, go also to say they don't withdraw, make we also do it, make we also burn out. I mean, we need to also keep reminding ourselves of certain things, because now they also help us, now they help us as a nation, now they help our growth, now they help development, now they help us at least as a nation. So make we see they do it, make we constantly remind ourselves of at least our past, so that it could help they build our future.
Very, very true. And this one indication say now our hand now most of the work day. Like we could be don't talk. If we get people when we say them feel say okay, now just their own interest, neither they pursue. Any issue when we say happen, people go come out eye on top. Make I give one example. All of us remember what happened as it consign the Jaguda headsmen them when cause problem for different parts of the country. Because of what happened for inside Benue State, he just can't be like say if he no reach that kind of scale, people no go join the amount to use condemn this bad thing. So it go good make as a people everything will affect us. Make we they speak with one voice. They let government understand say if this thing on our responsibility, we not supposed to do and the way anything be. No people go come and tell una wetin to do, or we go come our own na to support una, because if una show interest, say okay, well, these people when say we they represent, now then give us the mandate to represent them based on say we dey inside government. Una go do everything to use ensure say una do well. And as Nigerians, if they talk say no consign me, I come from southeast, he come from south, there be southwest. This one there be northern people, nothing consign me. Now be say this our one Nigeria when we talk about wahala go dey. If we check our country, the way we take join together, now there our strength dey. As we join together as a people, join hand together. Now that kind of way we go fit move our country forward. So if we come get voices when we say this one they sing A, this one they sing B, now we say wahala go dey.
Exactly.
Very true.
You see on yourself. I mean, we are addressing this issue the way we ought to address it, as people will say, we like the interest of the people. Like people will say, at least when they speak for the people. Like people will say, at least once we don't see any information about our country, we go drop them before the people. Like people will say, we understand the feelings of Nigerians. When we say yes, they need to know it. They need to know it. They happen for their backyard, for their country. At least once don't they provide this, as me they provide that now. At least things go they go. So there's nothing wrong with me and you having make we do on the same track to say okay, see this thing, make we talk.
That's what you are now. That's now you are now talking now. You are now talking now because me say it could be this water. The thing do you well. It do you well.
The water,
no, it do you well. See, because I know to say you are always on the wrong side. You are always on the attack. You understand? If I give example, say take for example, you go say no.
But may I ask you one thing? May I ask you one thing? If they come and attack, what will you be?
No, it's not like that.
You are an attackee.
What I'm saying is...
You are an attackee.
If I talk say...
What you be?
You are already attacking me again.
No, you started the attack. Why go talk?
No, you are attacking me again.
With that attack, when you come in...
Oga Bobby don't come from Amsterdam and not tell you say, if I give example, it's an example.
I know they want your example.
If I give example, he go to pay you.
Use yourself to example. Use somebody else. Okay, they there. Okay, today they there. A lot of people they if you use the example. Why mention me?
Okay, like yesterday when I use example, say I am a comrade. I am a responsible young man. I'm speaking for the interest of Nigeria. You said just carry and say, me too. I'm a comrade. Me too.
Yes.
I was talking of myself.
No, I was also in the same vein talking about myself.
Why if I can't talk about you, you know they won't agree?
I don't want your own because I had to speak for myself.
You see?
You speak for yourself.
This thing
I know the number of examples why I don't use there. Take you to example. You know they like them.
You don't practice what
you preach. They practice what
you come here tell Nigeria and say, as a people, make we dey united, make we do this, make we speak as one. You don't already dey fight. Something where you talked 2 minutes ago, you don't already dey fight again.
Sincerely, from your church mind, I want to make you look your mind well. look am as man wey dey clean. Well, I no say no clean though, but assume say na e dey clean. Look me finish. Attack you.
First and foremost, using say make I use my church mind for somebody when the last time when you go church na 26 years ago, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. And you, why bring church into this when we have mosque, when we have shrine? You see that wetin we dey talk say one Nigeria. Why you no talk say okay as a patriotic Nigerian? Why you no use that word?
Correct.
No, why you no
see
use
the
that?
angle wey they bring am from.
Am I from Jerusalem?
Oh, you are trying to
Am
claim.
I from Jerusalem?
You dey try claim say na you be the real Nigerian.
You see,
so na me no know wetin I dey talk. So indirectly what they saying is, oh, indirectly they try win the heart of Nigerians.
Okay, if you are a true Nigerian, all these things when I dey talk now, you suppose to support me.
This is an example why.
If you are a true Nigerian, all these things when I dey talk now, from now you go dey support me. Let me start.
When they create me and you, now the same thought, the same ideology.
You no wan gree me talk. It shows that you are not patriotic.
I am.
Amina, when our soldier people, civilian JTF don find, e don raise our hope. True or false?
Thank you. Yes. When me sef don agree right from time.
True or false?
I don't agree that one right from time. Even before we come on this program.
It's just to answer. True or false?
I'm not your student here. You don't have any right whatsoever to come and ask me.
You don't have any right to come here and be telling Nigerians that make we dey speak as one. When I dey talk, when you no wan gree accept. True or false? True or false?
Which kind of question be that?
The capability and the ability of our army is not in question. True or false?
We don't do that one since
now. Thank you. The Nigerian government must do a lot more for this particular girl. To use your example, say when we rescue these girls, which I believe that the Nigerian military has the capability and the ability to do it. Yes. We will show that we are really ready for this. Do you agree?
I agree.
Why you can't agree with only this one? Anything government, you don't collect money.
No, I agree now.
You don't collect money.
How I take collect money?
Because before APC government come, you know they wear suit before. It's already clear. It's very, very clear. It's very, very clear. Going back to what we don't talk here now. Say they speak as one.
Don't let them put eye for my body.
I talk about girls, you
don't put me on the list.
I talk about military, you don't
put me on the list.
I can't talk about government, you accept.
Don't put me on the list because I don't go ever for once day for the list.
Unkubi, May 29, we are waiting. We are waiting for May 29. Unkubi.
Chukwu, the moment we end this program, don't do you. Don't do just.
Oh, we don't talk about list now. You don't end program. We don't talk about list. You want end program.
Anyway, our viewers say they for us. You don't insist no one talk about.
On May 29, you will be exposed.
Don't worry you.
Okay.
Our viewers say they for us. We always talk. We go see the talk and say Nigeria, nobody anybody country, nobody anybody personal estate. Collectively now we get this country. I will go do it. We go do our own bit to collectively do it, move this country forward. Anybody who say go bring a hand, monkey hand from anywhere, say what disrupt the interest of our country. God no go give the person due. At least because the country is our own. And till tomorrow when we'll come back with another Ogbonge matter, that is the sequel edition we will give them everything we'll talk about from yesterday. I mean from Monday reach today will be Thursday. From me, we be Nkubi. I go say na bye bye. Chukwu the tell them bye bye.
Why are you confused? Tomorrow we will come with Ogbonge matter. We are discussing ASECPO, concussion, everything in the week. This is the same thing we are talking about. This is the same thing we are talking about.
Once you are ready.
As Nigerians, where do you go?
See this thing. Meanwhile, this water.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.